All right. So the 4th bedroom, of course, 4-bedroom. The interesting part is they have configured the 4-bedroom and the 5-bedroom as under their grand type of properties. And the 5-bedroom, sorry, the 4-bedroom is still the normal one, but they do come with a private lift lah, or the configuration. So I don't know.
So the big question is this: how busy professionals and homeowners like us make 6-figure profits from the property we own safely by doing it with research, data, and numbers. How do we buy in a way without complications and half guessing, regardless of the market conditions, and still remain profitable? That is the question. Here, I will share with you exactly what we do and how we do it. My name is Edmund, and welcome to Singapore Real Estate Insider.
Let's quickly go into the kind of collection. So I think this is very popular nowadays. A lot of developers, they always have 2 to 3 different kind of collections. And then of course for Grand Dunman, they are doing the luxury collection as well as the grand collection. So let us quickly look at what are the furnishing that they're providing in terms of the kitchen appliances. So for the standard collection, we are talking about the electric for the oven, stove, as well as Samsung for their fridge, washer. So typically I think based on the appliances that they're providing is considered quite premium, especially using the electric. It's a very well-known brand. Servicing everything is actually very top-notch. But let's just see how it pans out in terms of the 2-bedroom design, how it looks like. So they even have built-in cove lights for the kitchen cabinet. They having quartz tabletop, countertop, very, very important, quartz. All right, so that when you spill off anything, it will not get stains. Very, very important. So for 2-bed, it's an open kitchen concept for this layout. That's why your washer and dryer is all tucked in one area. So let's take a look at the luxury collection. Luxury collection a little bit more you got wine chiller, the bigger fridge, and of course for the bigger units, they usually have the washer and dryer separate. And let's take a look at the wet kitchen, 3-bedroom. How do they lay out for this configuration? So the entire view for luxury is of course very grand. You have everything tucked in properly, but nothing beats seeing the real thing. Also, if those of you who are interested to look into the show flat when it's ready for a private tour by me personally, all right, just contact me personally and we can definitely arrange to, go and take a look. And let me share with you my own insights based on your objective of why do you need to buy this property and will this property actually be suited for you. Right, so this is the wet kitchen concept. And then we have the dry kitchen, which is the 4-bedroom type. Just now I shared with you the layout. All right, so definitely from a consumer behavior changes, I think developers are also adjusting to how consumers see it. And later on, I'll share with you one very important change. Okay, and share with me later on when I share that, whether do you see that as a consumer behavior change? And would you personally, as a homeowner, like that? All right, so the quartz countertop for the dry kitchen, I think this is something very comfortable. And of course, the luxury collection for the wet kitchen type is also generally very nice. So the grand collection type of appliances, and these are all for the bigger units. All the bigger units, the 5-bedroom units, which is the grand collection. So only the 5-bedroom units have grand collection. So you can see everything kind of upgrade, upsize. Dry kitchen, wow, you can see the furnishing, the color scheme, a little bit very Chinese. Okay, very grand or using very the big tiles, the color, the grains from a design perspective. So it gives you a very luxury feel. And I think for you to pay for 5-bedroom units with your private lift, I think you want to have this kind of feeling, all right, to buy into, even though it will definitely not be cheap. Okay, let's take a look at the wet kitchen. The wet kitchen design is also very nicely laid out. 5-bedroom, you need to have ample space. So even for the toilet appliances, everything are also a little bit slightly different. So if you can see the standard and luxury collection, these are the standard ones. Let's take a look at the style and the type that they are doing. So this is the 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom kind of grand collection. They will have the different shelvings, the the layout. This is the junior master for the grand collection. You can take a look. They also have built-in lights, cabinets, and all these are the ones that they have fitted up. And the master bath, let's take a look at the master bath. Master bath also very nicely done. Okay, of course, nothing beats seeing the show flat. Also, do make an appointment so that we can actually slot you in earlier. I will believe there will be definitely a lot of interest, and a lot of interest will be spilled from the Continuum as well as Tembusu Grand. I think everybody is waiting for Grand Dunman to make a decision which property they want to go for, and I'm not surprised that weekend other developments will also have a lot more sales. Definitely. Okay, this is how it works. Singaporean like to play their cards very, very tight to their chest. Okay, for the grand collection, for the 5-bedroom, okay, you can take a look at the, of course, the appliances that provide. So everything kind of upgraded as well. Okay, and the design is also very comfortable. So this is one thing that I want to get everybody's opinion. Okay, so as we all understand, back in the early days of condominiums, there's always this bathtub in our toilet. Okay, so along the years, many of these bathtub are no longer existent. Developers no longer build them. So the question is, do you favor bathtub or you don't favor a bathtub? Or share your comment. Do you prefer a bathtub or not? Okay, and the reason why I ask this is because for Grand Dunman, they have made a very unique observation. Okay, they have changed out the bathtub because they know that, hey, nobody uses it. But of course, this is only for the 5-bedroom types. And then they put in a steam room instead. So the question is, if you are buying a 5-bedroom unit, or even let's say there's a steam room in your toilet, right? How many of you actually prefer to have a steam room, or you rather have that space for other purposes? All right, share your comment in the section below. All right, because steam room to me is like, wow, I mean, I'm very practical lah. Wow, more electricity lor. Or then if moisture, how? You know, that means condensation or more mold. So I'm more practical in that sense. So, of course, I'm sure Grand Dunman has their own logic to put in this steam room in replacement for a bathtub, which I think is definitely a good initiative. But of course, in the long run, the practicality of this, will consumers actually really use a steam room? Share with me your views. I really love to see from a different perspective so that I can analyze and to see how the current consumers are looking at for properties as well. Okay, great, thank you. All right, so for the luxury, your master room, I think wardrobes very nicely done, everything fitted in, and I can share with you the grand collection. Wow, the 5-bedroom types. Because of course this one is for 5-bedroom. Okay, so I think generally the entire Grand Dunman has really provided very, very nice design in terms of their quality, in terms of their finishing, and everything is done with class, you see. Right, so of course this is the first wave of the information that we gotten, and because you have subscribed to my channel, you are the first one to actually get this latest fresh from the oven information. And there will definitely be more updates along the way in the next couple of days and weeks. And I will also promise you guys that whenever I get a new form of data, new form of research that me and my entire team have done, I will also put it on the video so that you as a consumer, before you buy any property, you at least have seen the different perspective and options before you buy into the property. Because I think the last thing you want is you buy into a property without really understanding and really did your research, and you have not worked out your numbers well, and you just blindly move in because of FOMO effect. I think that's not the right way to buy properties. We rather we take a slower approach to really analyze, to do the research, and then when we are confident of doing it, we move forward. You see, so that is why we run our community, our channel like this. Is really to inform anyone out there who are buying properties that when you need help, there's always help provided, but you need to reach out to us so that we can guide you on a more personal basis of what you can or what you cannot do. And so with Grand Dunman, definitely there are still more insights that we have done the research, but we have not reviewed yet. And along the few days, definitely you will see more videos as such. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, all right, put the subscribe button, press the subscribe button, and really put the notification so that whenever there's new videos regarding property, regarding updates about the market, you will get informed immediately. All right, so my contact details is already in the description. If you want to reach out to me and seek some personal advice about how to select properties, what are the price entry that is safer for you, depending on your objective, right? Whether it's own stay or for investment, then reach out to me and I will be more than glad to kind of, go through a consultation with you, kind of see how we can help you in your property journey personally.